Good morning, our YouTube friends. How are you this morning? Welcome to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. Today we're going to do a short video, but it's such a good one. It is cottage cheese cinnamon roll mug cake. And so there's 5 ingredients. Let me show you what we got. Hold on. Let's switch you down. Okay, we've got the cottage cheese. We're going to use 1/4 cup of that. We've got cinnamon, and we've got some maple syrup. I'm just using Mrs. Butterworth's today. We've got a little bit of flour, not much, and some Splenda, and that's it. And we're going to make it all in this mug, and we're going to put it in the microwave for like 90 seconds. That's it. So let's get started. Okay, we want 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. Oh yeah, we got to get an egg out. Got to have an egg. So we're going to do 1/4 cup of cottage cheese in the mug. Let me get my egg. So I hope everybody's doing well this morning. It's sunny here, and it's supposed to be 80 degrees today. Okay, let's put our egg in here. I'm breaking eggs like my mom used to do. Okay, now with this you're going to stir that, break that egg up and stir it in real good. You can make this in about 2-3 minutes and you'll have cake. Okay, that's it. All right, now we're going to put like, I tried with a teaspoon of Splenda. To me it needs a little bit more. I'm going to put a teaspoon, but actually I think I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. To me it just needs a little bit more of that. Stir it up again. Okay, then we need 2 tablespoons of all of this is self-rising flour. 1. That's 2. Stir it up again. And stir it up real good. The cinnamon is the last thing we're going to put in here. Just keep stirring. Make sure you incorporate all the flour and the cottage cheese and all together. And then just put just a splash of maple syrup, because this is going to go in the end. Just a little bit. Okay. Stir it up. You could put in vanilla flavoring if you like more vanilla flavor. Okay. Cinnamon. Ever how much cinnamon you like. I'm not a big fan of cinnamon. I like a little bit. Bert likes a lot. We're doing this for me. So I'm going to put just a little bit and swirl it in. Just a little bit more. So it's going to end up probably being about maybe 1/2 teaspoon, and just kind of swirl it in so you have that cinnamon look. It's going to look like a cinnamon bun. Okay, that's it. Now let's go put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like when it's through. Okay, it's been 1.5 minutes, and there's your cinnamon bun. And I tell you what, it is hot, so be careful. But I am going to pour a little bit of maple syrup on it. And I like maple syrup. So, to taste. Okay, so let's let this cool a little bit because it is hot, very, very hot. I'm not even sure I can even hold it, the little cup. It's so hot. But that's it. That's your cinnamon bun cake. And how quick was that? Let me see if I can get a little piece off to do a taste test. Oh, we already know how it is. We've already done several of these. And they're good. But they're very hot. Can you see? Let's see if I can take a picture. Okay. Now, I'm going to hold it with a cloth because it is hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it or not. Anyway. That's good. Like I said, we've already cooked several of these. Very good, very good. So if you've got something, a cold winter morning, just in the morning you want a cinnamon bun, try this. I think you'll like it. Thanks. Remember, subscribe, share, and like. And remember also, God loves you and so do we. See you next time in the next video. Bye.